Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Trapti Parik, legal intern at Lexis and Company from Jain R&D Vyas University, Jodhpur. First of all, this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement, or the sole purpose of this video is educational purpose only. In this video, I will talk about 10 things you should know if you ever stopped by a traffic police. Have you ever been stopped by a traffic police in India? Sometimes traffic police stopped you by if you violating the traffic rules like not wearing the helmet, using the mobile phone while driving, or sometimes traffic police stopped you without any reason. So instead of crying, pleading, hand over the phone to the traffic police. You should aware of the rights that if the traffic police caught you, traffic police stopped you. So, what are the documents required at a traffic stop? In the case traffic police in India stopped you, or he or she can ask you for your license, while it advised to keep all the document in your car. Also, it is mandatory to keep original copies of all the document in your car. The first document you should keep in your car is registration certificate, RC. The second is pollution under control certificate, PUC certificate. Third is driving license, and the last is car insurance policy document. These are the 4 important documents that you must keep in your car if traffic police stopped you ever, and then show the traffic police these 4 documents. Now, what are the rights do traffic police have? The first right is a traffic policeman has the right to ask you to pull over to check your document or in case of any suspension. The second right is the CROP has the authority to seize your vehicle in a case of traffic violation such as speeding over the limit, jumping the red light, etc. The third right is a traffic police officer has the right to confiscate your license based upon any sort of suspension. He or she has provided you with an acknowledgement. The last right of traffic police have is a traffic police has the authority to arrest you without a warrant if you are found out to be under the influence of a banned drugs or substance or alcohol. Now, what are your rights if traffic police stopped you? The first right is ask for identification. You can always ask a traffic police who pulls you over to present or her identity to you. You can note down their buckle number or name, and if the buckle is not there, then the ID card, you can ask for ID card. If the traffic police refuses to present their identity to you, you can refuse them to produce your document. The second right is present your driving license. According to section 130 of the Motor Vehicle Act, when a police officer asks you for the documents, you only need to present your license at that moment. The choice of handling over the rest of the document is completely at your own. The third right is receipt against the confiscating of driving license. If the police officer decide to confiscate your license, then make sure that you are being handed over a valid receipt issued by a traffic police department against your license. cannot tow the car with a person inside. The traffic police cannot tow your car away if a human being is sitting inside the car. As long as someone is sitting inside the car, it cannot be towed away. The next right is file a complaint in case of harassment. In case you feel that you were not treated properly by the traffic police or were being harassed, then you can file an online complaint about the incident online or at your nearest police station explaining about the incident. The next right is challan book or e-challan generator. A traffic police can only issue challan when they are receiving a government issued challan book or e-challan machine with them. The next right is on the spot fine and payment. In case the police officer at the scene of the incident is of the rank of sub-inspector or above, you can pay off the challan at the spot. The last right you must know that cannot force you out of the vehicle. The police officer can never force you to get out of the vehicle or take off the keys the injection forcefully. Okay, now can a traffic police stop you for no reason in India? Well, yes. A traffic police main job is to ensure safety on the road and to make sure that every vehicle that piles on the road is following the rules. A traffic police officer can stop you for any reason on the ground of suspicion driving over a traffic infraction or any other crime. Now, can a traffic police officer take your key away? Under Motor Vehicle Act 1932, it is illegal for traffic police to take your car keys forcefully. No police officer, irrespective his or her rank or any authority, can indulge or sort of this action. So here are all the rights and information you must know if traffic police stopped you in India. I hope you liked my video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.